Okay, we're recording. After 4 or 5 months anyway, we were back on board Southern Comfort. It's been a crazy day. Just got back from DC last night and heading out tomorrow for North Carolina on Born to Run. And we've got clients coming on board tomorrow, so I won't be here. So we've shifted 3 boats already today, I think. I've got Hannah on board. Hannah's coming with me up to North Carolina tomorrow. She's our mate. So a quick walkthrough on this Southern Comfort. When a boat's been in the yard, it's been a disaster. We've tried to clean it or keep it clean. Some of the things that we've done, still missing this panel right here, doing some fiberglass and some fairing work on that. That goes all the way up there. But all this has been sanded and painted. The portholes down below for the 2 masters, you can see them or not, those have been sanded and prepped for paint. The railings are going to get done. Come back inside. We've tried to clean up just a little bit. It's really windy out today, so not the best time to be moving boats, but I will take you up forward here. So still work to get done. This video. A door, both doors actually, we've got to do. And take you up top. We've cleaned a little bit here. Brand new door. Beautiful, shiny woodwork. That was a disaster. We have our canvas put on, but our canvas person didn't do a great job finishing it up, so we've got to have her come back and put all the snaps and everything else on. But the whole flybridge has been sanded and painted, a couple stow holes. All of the radar arch was sanded, re-ground, faired out, repainted. The whole boat's been cleaned. Everything's been put back. Doors been put back on. All of this has been done. This has been put back on. It's falling apart again. So this is probably scraping the hell out of my brand new paint, which is just great. And yeah, lots of interior work as well. So that's pretty much about it. It's really windy out, so hopefully tomorrow is going to settle down for our trip. We're going to go from Charleston to Beaufort, North Carolina. So we'll see how that works out. So then I'm going to get back down to the pilot house and just watch over Hannah a little bit. And I'll do another video coming up when it's not so bad out. All right, until then.